Welcome to the Feedback Portal by ScalePlus. This is the central place where you can submit ideas, request features, report improvements, and help shape the future of the platform. Here, you'll be able to get help for Scale.gg, ClickCampaigns.ai, Groove.cm, and the entire ScalePlus AI-powered marketing suite. Instead of sending scattered messages through email, groups, or chat, everything is organized here in one transparent system. As ScalePlus continues to grow, so does the number of feature requests and suggestions from users. The feedback portal exists to make sure your voice is heard, tracked, and considered in a structured way. It allows the product team to prioritize updates based on real user demand rather than isolated conversations. Please note that the use of this feedback portal requires you to log in. You can sign in to your ScalePlus account by clicking on Sign in via ScalePlus to start using any of the features inside this feedback portal. You may also be prompted to sign in whenever you try to use any of the options available on this page. The main tab allows you to share your feedback. You can view portal by browsing through existing user feedback and reported bugs. Suggest a feature lets you share your own ideas. Report a bug is where you can let us know if something isn't working right so that we can fix it. Report Mission Critical is how you can flag critical issues to get urgent attention from our team. The tab labeled Need Help is how you can contact support. Chat with an agent allows you to chat with our AI agent, who typically resolves 95% of support requests instantly. This option is great for how-to questions, learning the software, and pre-sales inquiries. Submit a helpdesk ticket allows you to reach out to a human customer support team member who can manually review your issue. Our support team handles account-specific problems, billing questions, and technical issues that need personal attention. Finally, clicking on Tutorials will open a pop-up box inviting you to check out our official YouTube channel, which includes step-by-step tutorials for all the ScalePlus products. Simply search for the name of the app you need help with, followed by tutorial or demo to find exactly what you're looking for. For all the latest announcements, updates, and training content, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on your notifications.